Forming a neighborhood radio watch. What is NRW? Forming a core group. Obtaining the necessary equipment. Establishing channels and protocols. In today's fast-paced world, it has become more important than ever for communities to come together and take charge of their own safety. One powerful way to achieve this is by creating a neighborhood radio watch. By establishing a network of vigilant residents who are committed to keeping their community safe, we can harness the power of unity and collaboration to deter crime and foster a sense of security. This short video will guide you through the process of setting up your very own neighborhood radio watch, empowering you and your neighbors to take control of your environment and create a safer haven for all. Forming a core group. The first step in creating your own neighborhood radio watch is to form a core group of dedicated individuals who are passionate about community safety. Start by reaching out to your neighbors and explaining the idea behind the radio watch. Look for people who share your enthusiasm and are willing to commit their time and effort to the cause. Together, you can establish the goals and objectives of the group, as well as determine the frequency and range of your radio signals. Radio types, requirements, and coverage. Know your equipment and what it will do. Citizen band radios, or CB radios, do not need a license, nor do they need any fees or testing to use, and have a range of 2 to 20 miles. FRS radios have no fees or testing and have a range of 1/4 to 1/2 miles. GMRS radios do require a license, a $35 fee, do not require a test, and will transmit 10 to 25 miles. Your GMRS license covers your whole family and is good for 10 years. An amateur, or ham radio, does require a license with a $15 fee and a 35-question test. However, ham radio operators have worldwide coverage. Obtaining the necessary equipment. To effectively communicate and coordinate with other members of the watch, it is vital to have the right equipment. Invest in high-quality two-way radios that offer a wide range and clear reception. Ensure that all members of the group are trained on how to operate the devices and understand the radio etiquette. Encourage members to keep their radios with them at all times, especially during designated watch hours, so they can respond promptly to any suspicious activity or emergency situations. Establishing communication channels and protocols. Communication is the backbone of any successful neighborhood radio watch. Create a system for sharing information, such as a designated radio channel or frequency, to ensure effective communication among members. Establish protocols for reporting incidents and relaying information, such as the use of specific codes to maintain security and confidentiality. Regularly conduct training sessions to keep members updated on protocols and address any concerns or questions they may have. Creating a neighborhood radio watch is not just about preventing crime, it is about building a strong, interconnected community that looks out for one another. By establishing your own watch, you are taking a proactive step towards empowering your community and creating a safer haven for everyone. Remember, the power lies in unity, collaboration, and a shared commitment to keeping your neighborhood secure. So rally your neighbors, equip yourselves with the necessary tools, and unleash the power of your neighborhood radio watch. Together, you can make a difference and inspire other communities to follow suit. Thank you for watching. Learn more at the Tuolumne County Amateur Radio and Electronics Society website. https://tcares.net